Hi guys, today I'm going to just do an unboxing of the Creative Spark art box. So if you're joining me live, definitely post hi in the comments, let me know you're here. I'm on my phone, so I always struggle to see comments on my phone, but and I also realised I stuffed up the event. Hi Mary. I don't know what I do. Facebook and me don't get along very well, but I think I put a link somehow to somewhere else. Anyway, don't worry, I'm on here live, so hopefully everyone can find me. Hi Donna. So hi Lynette. So yeah, just definitely post hi if you're on here live. So I've been holding off doing an unboxing of my first subscription box because I was making sure we had a few subscribers over in WA, and a couple of them have said they're now they've got theirs, so I feel safe. I didn't want to spoil any surprises, but I did want to share with everyone what was in the subscription box, and that way if anyone wants to join the wait list and might want to join in on the fun next quarter, they can join that wait list and definitely not miss out. So with this first one, I allowed 25 boxes, but I had a lot of interest, so I boosted that up to 30, because you can imagine I have to limit them because I've got to buy all the supplies. So I managed to get 30 of everything and sold out in 5 days, which was awesome. This time, so those 30 subscribers are all subscribed for the next box. Once you subscribe, you're automatically in, and you won't miss out. It's quarterly, so every 3 months your payment comes out and the next box gets shipped out. But I'd like to try and grow that to 50, say, so I'm looking for another 20 subscribers. So I've got the waitlist. The link to the waitlist page is there if anyone is interested and wants to get on that. So you'll be the first to know when the next one, hey Leslie, when the next one is up and about. So, and every box is different, but they all have a similar sort of theme. So as I unbox, I'll sort of talk through it. So we'll spin you down, and hopefully I'll spin the box around too. Actually, wait on, bear with me. I'm just going to pull it back a little bit. I think you're a bit close. That might be all right. So if I spin that around, no, I had it spun. There we go. All right. So this is the Creative Spark art box. So this is how they received them. Hold on, I'm still going to move you back a bit more yet. Hold on. I feel like I don't want you too close so you can actually see. There we go. I'll just go down a bit. All right. Okay. I think that's good. All right, so let's open this up. I'm going to work backwards. So first of all, there's like just a little sticker there, getting everyone to share it. Now, this here, for the box, the standard box is this here. If you paid extra for art materials, you received that here with your name on. So, oh, wait on, I better get my koala, hold on. Right. So essentially, each box has a tutorial. Okay, so this month's box, this quarter's box, was this gorgeous little koala. He's from Australia Zoo. And this is in pastel on pastel matte. So you have all the subscribers go straight. I have a separate website with modules on, and they get access to the full recorded tutorial, step-by-step tutorial to draw this little guy here. And each box supports a charity of the animal. So We managed to send $150 to Australia Zoo this time for their Koala Foundation. So the more boxes I sell, of course, the bigger that donation will be each time. I haven't fully decided on the next box, but there'll always be a sort of an endangered animal that needs a bit of help. So that's sort of the main thing I was creating the box for, because I really wanted to start supporting wildlife, because they're like my favourite things to draw. I just love animals. So yeah, so this is the tutorial of this gorgeous little koala. So that's where you could either buy the standard box if you already had your own art supplies, or you could pay extra. It's an extra $50 to have all the art supplies included. So I'll just run through the extra supplies. Were in here are the soft pastel sticks needed. So there was 6 colours. Oh, this one's a bit broken, sorry, it's mine, it's been thrown around. But there were 6 pastel pieces in there, more than enough to do this tutorial and quite a few more. Pastel, if you've done pastels, you know they last a long time. And then your set of, there was 13 little half pencils, no Stabilo Carbothellos, and a sponge tool. Okay, so that was all the equipment they needed. I don't make any profit on the art supplies because pastels are so expensive as they are. So I try, and that's why we do half pencils and sticks and that, just to make sure I can get you all the supplies you need for it. Okay, so when we first get the box, I've got some information here. Everyone in the box, I'm doing a live Zoom session next Thursday for those guys. It's a private Zoom session where I'm going to be answering any questions and also running through little techniques if they've watched a tutorial and there's something they don't understand. Just a bit about me and the box. And also this is the charity of choice for this box, so just a little bit about the charity. And then this one shows what's in the box, so it guides you through, so you're not sure. If you're not sure, you can go through here. If you're not sure what something's for, that'll explain it. So let's open him up. All right, so first of all, we've got these gorgeous, some of the stuff here was a surprise. I didn't let everyone know exactly what was in the box. So we've just got a little inspirational sticker in here, but also these are 100% handmade and painted in Australia. I don't know if you can see them. Look at how cute they are. And the girl, Tracy, Nicole, she hand paints all of those. She must use the tiniest brush. They're the cutest earrings. So yeah, this little set of earrings for everyone. So if you see anyone wearing them, that's where you know they're part of the box. I'll open this bit first. And then we have, wait till I unwrap that because it's noisy. Okay, so they all received a mug which I designed and had made myself. So there's a chance there could be paint in here on this side, and this side it's a good day to create. And then to go along with the mug, my favourite drink at the moment is chai latte. So a little chai latte sachet, and of course everyone's favourite chocolate, Furry Friends. Well, I'm amazed they still make these, but they're absolutely beautiful. And so that was sort of the little mug and gift in there. And then we also have our sketch cards. So if you subscribe your first box, you receive the key ring. And then every month there's more cards added. If you want to add any comments, do that. I'll go back through once I spin back from the box so I can read them. So in the sketch cards, there's drawing tips, some right brain activities, and then sketch cards that have a different idea on each side. So the idea is there's 8 different sketch ideas, so 1 a week until the next box comes out. Okay, so the idea is the whole box is an inspirational art box to get you creating. So the idea of the sketch cards is to try and get you out and about and sketching some stuff. And then of course, one of the bigger things in the box is our book. So this is an inspirational art book. I chose How to Be an Artist by Jerry Saltz this time. So each box will have a different book. And it's a really good, great, inspiring book. And of course a bookmark that matches the drawing of the month as well. Okay, so for those that like to read, and also you've got 3 months before the next box comes out, so you've got 3 months to read it. Okay, and then you have I'll just take this out of the plastic so you can see it better. So each month, each box, again, you'll get a A4 print. It's a signed print of my drawing. And again, it matches the box, like the box's tutorial and the bookmark, so it's all sort of curated together. They feel really nice too, actually. And then just a little colouring, inspirational colouring sheet goes with that as well. And then every box, hold on, I just got to get it out. Every box has the, let me move the box out of the way now. Every box has the drawing paper. Okay, for those that have paid extra for the pastels, they get this, but every single box will have the paper inside, and they've just got a sample of the paper we're using for this drawing, which this one is pastel matte in the colour anthracite. Okay, and then just your reference image, tracing paper for the line art, and then also a sheet of glassine paper, which we use to protect our paper when we're drawing, and it's also a great cover as well when you're finished to protect it, and your paper on your board all ready to go. I want everyone to be using the same paper. Paper to me is the most important thing with pastel, so that's why I make sure everyone who subscribes gets the right paper. All right, so I'll spin back up. All right, I'm just gonna run through and make sure I haven't missed any comments, if I see any. Hold on, no. Sorry guys, I don't know how to read comments on this phone, honestly. Okay. No. All right, okay, I'll have to answer any comments later. So I will run back through afterwards if there's any comments, and I'll answer them. But as you can see, there's a lot in the box. So, and it's $87 for the standard box, plus it's a set postage of $9.95 anywhere. It's only available for Australia, so the postage is anywhere in Australia. And then an extra $50 if you want all the pastel supplies. So the next box will have a different tutorial, a different animal that we're going to support, different signed print, of course, different inspirational art book, a different gift, which I try and keep those gifts a secret and a surprise, because who doesn't want to open a surprise? Hey, you don't want to know everything that's in there. Yeah, and then some more sketch idea cards. And then, of course, you have access to the full tutorials that you have forever. Okay. Donna, how do you trace the line art onto the pastel matte paper? Please, Carrie. Well, once you join the membership, Donna, you'll get all of this stuff and you'll understand it a lot easier. But in all my tutorials, I create a line art. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So then we just use tracing paper to trace it. So we then have our line art on our tracing paper. And then we put pastel on the back, and then we then flip it over onto our paper and retrace it on. And then we have our line art then on our drawing paper ready to go. So everyone in the box who's already subscribed to the box, that's all stepped out in the tutorials. But also, if I know, Donna, you wanted to join the membership, which doors are opening very soon, I go through all of that as well. So yeah, so anyway, like I said, the subscription box is every quarter. I just don't have time to do any more than that. And oh, hold on. Who is that? I can't read. Christy, you were overwhelmed with the amount of stuff you put into this box. You opened it this morning. Oh, I'm so glad. I can't believe a few of you guys have received the box and haven't opened it. I would have been ripping them open the minute the postman handed it to me. But you're all very patient. So, yeah, so the box is quarterly. I won't be taking any payments at the moment. But you can get on the wait list if you're not already subscribed. Okay, and then, so I've got links to the wait list. I'll put another one up. But if you get on the wait list, then when the next one, I sort of let you know what's happening as it comes closer to September. So towards the end of August is when I will take payment. Or I will ask you if you want to subscribe and send you a link. And then you can choose whether you want to subscribe or, yeah, like I said, I'll probably only have 20 extras available because I'm thinking about 50 will be good. But I'll see if we get a lot of interest on the wait list, I can do that. But I need to order supplies, so I've got to cut off how many sort of a few weeks before it actually gets shipped. So your payment comes out end August, and then I should have them shipped out within the next sort of couple of weeks. So yes, Lynette, I would have opened mine straight away as well. Yeah, I'm not patient like that. But there was quite a few that did wait. I was very surprised. So yeah, and the membership, the Creative Barn membership, I'm just waiting for everyone to sort of get over their boxes and do their koala and all of that sort of stuff. But then I'm going to open the doors a bit early for people who want to join the membership. And so probably I'm going to do a free online, probably a YouTube live, a draw along for everyone, just free. And I'll open the doors then. So that'll be in July. So in the next couple of weeks probably. Oh, Andrea, you were waiting. Oh my God. You have patience, honestly. I don't know how you waited. But anyway, yes, open yours now. That's exciting. And then I'm still going to do coaching week around September. It may be pushed back because the boxes are sort of in September. I may end up doing coaching week in October. But we'll see how that all goes. But yeah, for now, yeah, get on the wait list if you're interested in the box, and also either join the wait list for the membership, so I've got your email address, or I'll be posting on social media and Facebook, all the rest of it, when I do that free YouTube draw along, and the doors will be open again then. So all right, I still can't believe you were waiting, Andrea. All right, well, enjoy your box, definitely. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you all again very soon. And like I said, I'll run through comments in here and answer any that I miss, because I don't know how to go back through the comments. So anyway, all right guys, thanks a lot, and you can watch the replay. If you're watching the replay, just hit replay if you've got questions and stuff, and we'll comment on them. And like I said, you'll find links everywhere. So all right, thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.